everyone, this is Chef Juls here. How are you guys doing? Hope you're maximizing the lockdown Nigeria mode and we're all observing the social distancing lifestyle. Well, I'll crack my eggs. 2 eggs. 1, 2. Oops. I have my vegetable oil. This is half a cup of vegetable, and then this is 2 of that here, which is 1 cup of water. Right into it. This is my lime juice. I'm using 2 teaspoons of that. I have a measuring spoon. If you don't have a spoon like this, you can use your teaspoon. Whisk it together. No special skill. And now I open my. Then just mix a few, like 30 strokes, will give you a nice mix. Pour it into your pan. Okay. And this goes right into the oven. That's 180 degrees Celsius and it bakes for like 20 minutes. Okay. It's hot. So there you have it. Vanilla cake mix, nicely baked. Came out in about 30 minutes and it's super hot. Thank you. So that's it. I'm going to go offline now and taste my cake. Thank you.